Yes, no, maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. You're not the boss of me now. And you're not so big. Life is unfair.
What's up, Goggles? So I built a new quad to add to the little fleet. It's another little wrecking 4-inch quad. So now I've got 2 of them. Woohoo! Yeah, all identical, and they're twinsies. Got the same parts on them and everything. Got the Speedy B V4 20x20 with a Rush FPV analog VTX, and a crappy Darwin FPV battery that came for my Darwin Cine 8 2.5. But yeah, we went out and got to fly this thing around a little park around here, and then we went and ripped this thing around, and then I hit a tree and bent my props up enough where I didn't really feel like flying after that because I didn't have my extra props with me. So yeah, I'll shut up. I'll quit rambling, and let's go watch this crappy, dirty DVR. Woo! Alright, that was cool. Let's go watch this dirty DVR. Sorry.
Waking up, open up my eyes. Do you mind if I blow your mind? A little closer, baby, don't be shy. Why you worried that it's gonna be fine? I guess it's that kind of day. That's really all I'm trying to say. We don't have a lot of time to waste. Somehow we gotta find a way. Somehow we gotta find a way. No matter how many miles away. Right now, but I'm still falling down. The night, the light. I'm living this life different and missing the flight, bullshitting. I had a plan to change, you can't stand the rain. Little delay, but I came and you cool with it. Now I'm strip club and lose my grip. And I don't know it all, but I do know this. So you know me, better know self. I've been in this shit so long that it don't smell. From a hotel to a castle, living like a king for a grand. I don't do nothing that's a hassle. Besides, even that castle made a sound. Just might slip into the sea. Fuck it all if it all ain't me. Maybe we inside the maze, so now we gotta find a way. So now we gotta find a way. No matter how many miles it takes. I know it feels so good right now, but it all comes falling down. When the night, the light, yeah. I wouldn't wait forever. Just shoot your shot.
Hey, what's up? Thanks for making it this far. If you did, awesome. Shout out to all these pilots. They're hanging out, flying, and doing cool stuff. Been a little busy this week, so this is like the only time I'm probably gonna get to fly for like a little bit. Next couple days. It might rain here. I don't know what's going on with the weather. I haven't checked that. But yeah, man. I don't ask people to subscribe to my channel or anything like that. Like downvote this video. Don't unsubscribe from my channel. All that's it. But yeah, I also have a merch store. If you guys want to go check that out, you're more than welcome to. You don't have to. It's just a thing that I did because I wanted some clothes that were kind of cool that I can't find anywhere else. And so I just figured I'd make them. But yeah, I'll shut up and I'll let everyone get back to their fucking awesome lives, man. Y'all have a good one.
Look at this cunt.